Django and Python, JavaScript, tutorials for Jamie, this is Silva.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Welcome back to part 3, everyone. Setting up a basic Django project. Time to learn about templates, views, and URLs. Made simple. So, let's start with this part, creating the folders that we will need. Link in the description, by the way, and I will move this to my other screen. Now, in my text editor, inside News, I will create a folder named templates, okay? And inside templates, we need to go with another folder named news. And inside news, we create a file named index.html. This is a way to keep things organized. Once we have that, let's open views in news. Views, we can delete what's in here and let's create a class based view. Let's go ahead and do that. Class index, it's named index, and it will inherit from template view. Now we need to import template view from django.views.generic. Let's import it, template view, and we will just define the template name, template underscore name. Inside that, it's equal to news slash index.html, which corresponds to the location of the file we have created. So it's super simple. We can go to index.html and put some text inside. Say hello world. That's good. And now we need to define a URL for this page. We need to say where can users access this page. So in use, we will create a file named urls.py. And inside that file, let's create a variable named URL patterns. It's going to be a list. And inside we'll have a function with 3 arguments. The first one is the path, so let's leave it empty so it's accessible from the root. The second argument is the name of the view, so we've named it index, and we need to say index as underscore view, and at last we give a name to this path. Okay, we need to import some things from django.urls, import path, and then from news.views, import index. Okay, it's simple and it's almost complete when it comes to URLs. There's still one thing that we need to do. There is a main URLs file in the sub project folder. So my site, and we need to include all of the news URLs in the main URLs file. So it's super simple. It's a matter of coming here and saying path. It has 2 arguments this time. The second one is to include all the URLs in use.urls. End it with a comma, and from Django URLs import path, also import include. Okay, now every time we access the root of the project, we should say hello world. Let's recap this. The user accesses the root, Django associates the root with index, and the view index associates the template and returns it to the user. It's that simple. Let's take a look on that. I'm gonna move this window here and reload localhost, and there you go. Now it's super simple right now. I'm not gonna go into HTML. It's a matter of exploring it a little bit. And now let's focus in static files and media files in the next video.